That time to get a job. No, I'm not. This is my fucking job. Don't worry about if I get a fucking check. Do you get a damn check? Obviously, not enough money. You lose your dick damn skull. So can't pay enough. I need 1,015. Can y'all send in, please? Trying to be a rude jackass? Cause I can be the rude the hell back. But you ain't finna send me shit, your lying ass. If you gonna send something, if you was gonna send me $100, you would have sent the motherfucker. Instead talking shit. No, you wasn't. No. Do I look at it? Do I look at a damn job for taxes? No. The taxes people who works, who got a real job. Don't tell me what they can get old. The whole Instagram bag, but yeah, see the company. Shut up, high level. Don't worry if it's getting old. It's getting old. You keep bullying me all fucking day. No, you get a damn part-time job. So I'm watching me. Clearly, you don't got a damn job. You have watched me every fucking day. You gonna get one. That's what the fuck I'm doing. I ain't being rude shit. You been rude to me first. Bye, ladies and gentlemen. She ass. Get on my damn live begging. Bye, bitch. You're begging on fucking live. You go too, bitch. Go bang your own live. Bye. You ain't work. You ain't no goddamn work. You ain't no goddamn work. Now he on here harassing me. You ain't no got no goddamn work. Do your job? No, you in here bothering me? Huh? Do your job? No, you in here bothering me? I bet you don't. Are you okay? I'm fine, honey. Begging. I'm begging on Easter. Is that a problem? Oh, well, it what it is. Yep, I'm begging on Easter. Sure is. I'm begging so I can go on Easter. Sure is. Yep, I'm begging. Whoever don't like it, then don't watch. Don't tell me what you have to damn do. You gonna have your own goddamn business. Stop what the fuck I'm doing. No, I'm not starting no goddamn business. You start what the fuck I'm doing. This is my business. My business is begging. Half fit my goddamn dream. I got YouTube. You gonna make a damn YouTube. I'm on here. You go to YouTube, honey. Day and night. You go get you a damn job. Don't tell me fuck you go get a job. Let me block your ass. I'm sick of seeing you. By the day, you go get a job. Half. Stop what the fuck I'm doing. Bye. Bye. Mm-hmm. No, I'm asking you. Can you send in? I'm begging forever. 24, 6, or the whole goddamn year. $1,015. $1,015. You gonna send something? You love me some man? Can you send in there? Can you show me some love for my dream, please? I need $1,015. Can you send some money? You love me that damn bad? You love me? For my usher dream, please. I see my usher in a front row pick, please. I need 1,015. Show your love for me. Mm-hmm. Maybe goddamn yell in this fucking house. I mean fucking yell. I'm trying to get fucking better over here. I'm making it fucking worse. Zell? Yeah, I use Zell. Let me see. Are you in here? Let me see. Zell. Oh, Deep Brendan got. No, Deep Brendan got Zell. I think Foxy, KW or Mandy got Zell. Wait, oh wait a minute. Michelle got Zell too. Lady Michelle, 2015. Um, and Mandy Candy and Foxy. You can ask one of them. It's Yana free Zell, and you send today's Zell, and they are sending my App Pay or Venmo, honey. They here. I see him in the live. About cheese, the bake on your low, and I pin your cash. So we didn't ask for 2 cents. Mm-hmm. I ain't agree with nothing. I ain't on the mute. If you hear it, it's Donna. If you're going to truly send me a Zell, they ain't here. Hear me, Donna? Mm. They ain't here. Which one you going to ask a question? Question costs money. Question costs money. You going to send $15? Because question costs money, honey. Ain't no questions free. Because this ain't a questionnaire. You going to send something about my life, honey? Matter of fact. But and question about my life, honey, it's $50, honey. I don't care about no goddamn. I don't care about her. Yes, I don't need to tell me who begging on live. Yes, is money, ass. Tell me nothing. People doing other live. I don't care what anybody doing their album. I'm all out begging. Yeah. Yo, God, I'm gonna send me some money, not you. Guess I'm still begging. Is that a problem? Is that a problem with stop watching me? And what about if I'm still begging? Yes, I am. Is that a problem? They gonna always send me something. You on fake pages and shit? Right, Yana, I'm going to DM you, Yana, on my other account, Yana, okay? Yeah, she just, Manny just, you got to DM her, you got to DM Manny your number, she see for Zelle. She just tagged you. Yeah. We're going to. What's your day? What they have $5 damn dollar? And I got no damn ticket. I get no goddamn money. August 20, whoever you is, I hope you spend a lot of this goddamn app. I get blocked, honey. I don't need nothing. I'm my own guardian. Bye, lying motherfucker. No, they did not. Lying asshole. Still lying to my damn. No, they did not. Bye, bitch. Stop lying, bitch. You believe in this bullshit? No, they did not give me a fucking $5,000. Get lying at me. Stop, get lying at my damn line. Let me block your lying assholes. Told you lying, get fucking blocked. Yana, I'm DM you, Yana. Well, if you get Mandy's DM, I'm gonna DM you Michelle's I only know Michelle's there, but if Mandy if you see Mandy, she tag you. I do remember Michelle's there. I'm gonna mess you on my other page, okay? Mm. Okay, Yana. Hey, y'all, we're gonna mess you on the page right here. You see it? We're gonna mess you on here, so open your DM. Man, must 87, honey. Okay, Yana, sent you on follow. We just sent you a request, Yana. So we're gonna mess you, Michelle's, if you got Mandy's. I don't know if you can check Mandy's DM yet, but we're gonna send you Michelle's Zelle. But Mandy just tagged her. We're gonna send you Michelle. Alright. You're gonna send Michelle's Zelle. That's all I know right now. Mm. Mm. Shit. Mm. Damn. Mm. 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 I just messaged you, Yana. That's her there. Are you calling me? Yeah, she here. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm.